understood that my voice was needed. Sometimes the very thing that we are fought about the most is the thing that will bring most financial breakthrough to your life.
We've been running virtual conference through the Women in Publishing Summit for many years, and the benefits and relationships that can grow from being together in person are just so much more than what you can ever do in a virtual event. As book marketing experts, we see all the time how hard it is to establish yourself as a new author or new publisher, to build the inroads that you need to really be able to grow and to get in front of the right audiences. So how better to do it than to bring people together and to create those collaborations, relationships, opportunities from an in-person event.
The conference as a whole has been wonderful. The women have been inspirational.
I'm really excited about events because it really allows people to put things into motion instead of just leaving with all these notes and then thinking, what am I going to do with it?
This conference has exceeded my expectations, as well as connecting with my friends. I've met so many new people and their stories have been amazing. I wouldn't miss this for the world. It's been fantastic.